Hi everyone, I'm Kegan with Rad Power Bikes. You guys have been asking a lot about the uphill riding experience on our bikes. So today I'm going to be testing out all of our models on this hill. Let's go. Just to show you what we're demonstrating, we're climbing a hill that's roughly 7 degrees, which translates to about 13% grade. Okay, so we're at the bottom of this fairly steep hill. We've all chosen pedal assist level 4. Let's see how the bikes stack up against each other. Ready? Go. As you can see, all of the bikes are fairly evenly matched. Oh look, it's my friend Corey on the road bike. Hey Corey. Remember that all of our bikes have throttles, so you don't even need to pedal. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. If you're interested in checking out the rest of the hill climbing videos, click the link in the description. For our feature video, click over here, and to subscribe to our channel, click here. I hope to see you next time, and remember, ride rad!